Ever wondered how to switch your Samsung phone clock to 12-hour format with AM/PM? It's actually super easy, and I'll show you in less than a minute. Alright, let's do this step by step. First, open your settings, scroll down and go to General Management. After that, tap on Date and Time. Now look for the option that says Use 24-hour format. If it's turned on, just switch it off. And boom, your Samsung phone is now using the 12-hour clock format. But wait, what if you want the AM and PM to show up too? No worries, I got you. Go ahead and open Good Lock or Fine Lock. Either one works the same. Once you're inside, install a module called QuickStar. Open QuickStar, then tap on Clock Settings. Now just turn on the option Show AM/PM. And that's it. Now your clock will show the full 12-hour format with AM and PM. Super simple, right? Now your phone looks way cleaner and easier to read. If this helped you, don't forget to try it out. And stick around, because I've got more quick tips like this coming your way.